Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this demonstration is going to be on a unit out of a 68 Cadillac DeVille convertible. It's a typical Delco T400 and it comes from Phil in Raleigh, North Carolina. Phil has requested that this unit be converted for use with a modern reproduction radio, and I'll give a brief explanation. Most of your modern radios are designed to work into a fully isolated speaker system, meaning that none of the speaker wires can be grounded or shared with any other speaker. And that's how you get a lot more output power, by making both the positive and negative sides hot, so to speak, rather than having the negative side grounded. So that's how you basically double your output power. And so, well, any Delco 8-Track is designed to work into a common ground speaker system. So once the modern radio is fitted for maximum output power, the 8-Track will no longer work with that system, and it has to be converted into just an aux source to plug into the radio. So I'll give you a quick little rundown of what I do here. All the original electronics come out, the entire audio board's pulled out, your output transformers, they're gone. All that goes back in is my own special preamp design, which sounds a lot brighter than the original. And then since the 8-Track uses up the radio's aux input, I put an aux input on the 8-Track so that anytime there's no tape in the unit, your aux signal will be sent straight to the radio. So I also, because the original motor tends to create noise through my new preamp, I also replaced the motor, and the motor speed is adjustable now. Should the speed ever drift, you can get in there and adjust the speed. So the explanation's probably going to take longer than the test, because there's not much to test on this type of unit. So let's go ahead and pop some Neil Sedaka in here and make sure he works. Okay, make sure we got both speakers working. Okay, change tracks. Okay, and that's it. And that's all there is to test on this type of unit, because the controls no longer work after conversion. All your control of volume, tone, and balance will be done at the radio, and this is just basically a component. And the only thing that works on it is the track change button. So, and of course the automatic track change works as well. So, on that happy note, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for service at 928-533-9666. I do ask every customer to visit my website before calling. My website is in the description below. Don't call me cold with "what all do you do?" I'm not about to respond to that. I don't have a half hour to spend with every phone call out of an 8-hour day. Pretty much need to look through my so-called catalog, get an idea of the options I offer, my prices, my turn times. That's all on my website. Please glean all that information before calling me. I'm happy to talk to you. I'm just not going to explain the same things over and over to each customer while I've got paid deadlines awaiting my attention. So, thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.